Am I allowed to drink beer?
Yes, you're allowed to drink beer. That's
It's evening here.
not a problem at all. All right. Well, welcome everybody. Time for a tech update. I think our previous vlog was 2 weeks ago about our tech failing that we were starting to fall behind. Well, let me start with the good news. The good news is we are starting to recover, and we hope to be back on track by end of next week. It looks like the team is getting back up to speed after issues with. Well, first of all, we're training a new team. Second, one of the two of the team members got COVID, so that also brought in some delays. And a few days ago, we thought, well, we're not doing too bad until I had a discussion with you, Johan, and you mentioned that customers in our beta version were losing data.
Yeah, correct. Which is not correct, but that was the case. Um, yeah, in fact, two customers. Yeah, I'm in a lounge, so
Can be a bit
sometimes you
noisy.
will hear some
Yeah.
some beeps. Yeah, some of our beta customers were losing data, which is yeah a priority one to
Yeah.
fix, obviously. But yeah, maybe we yeah to be quite honest, we didn't act directly on it. So
Yeah.
I think yeah that's the fuck up of the week, or maybe the fuck up so far, the biggest one.
Yeah. Yeah. I think there's two things there. First of all, it was very hard to reproduce, and yeah, as most techies know, if you can't reproduce a bug, there's not much you can do about it other than keep searching. Um, but eventually, when you showed it, were able to show it to me, I immediately escalated it to the team, and actually I stopped the sprint. So we stopped, everybody in the team stopped what they were working on to find out what the problem was, and then we were able to fix it in I think 1 or 2 hours. So it was actually it's still a little bit of a strange bug. We have sort of worked around it now by using different event handlers. I think one of the challenges is that the text editor is a fairly heavy component, and when you quickly flip between pages, it first has to push the data back to our server, that has to save it, and then it should go to the next page. So we may have to put in some client-side logic there to make sure that the data is always being saved when you switch between chapters.
Yeah,
But
because it's very natural behavior, right? Switching chapters real fast. Because today I
yeah,
created a few playbooks, and yeah, what you're basically doing is flipping and switching between different screens and chapters and checklist, and yeah, it's very natural, so it should work.
yeah, yeah, very true. Yeah. Okay, but with that bug out of the way, we will now post only for the insiders a link below where you guys can try it out for yourself. So we're now inviting all of the insiders to come and join us in this beta program. Keep in mind it is a beta, so I would keep important data also copied locally to in Word or something like that. You can paste data from Word into Playbookify. So if you're creating a lot of content, make sure to have a copy. We are still in beta at the end of the day, but it should be working quite well now, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the bugs stay away.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Well, you have a good flight, and we'll be doing another update, I guess, next week when this next sprint is done.
Yeah, next week we will define the next sprint, and maybe that's a good moment to create a new video with and also to show the insiders what we are trying to build in the next sprint. So
Yeah.
it's really exciting.
Yeah.
It's cool.
And my takeaway is next time we have anything major, we should jump on it much quicker. And with major bugs, in my experience, if there is a major bug, stop the whole team. Everybody's on the bug until it's fixed in your on your production server.
Yes, absolutely. And by the way, we yeah, partly based on this experience, we've created a new Slack channel, which is Fail Forward, and yeah, we will encourage everyone in the team to uh, yeah to share their struggles to
That's
learn from it.
that's impossible for techies, but good luck with that.
Let's try. Okay, thanks, Jan.
Yeah,
Have a great weekend.
yeah. Thanks.